All right, we are live. What is up, guys? Today we will be doing a shorter stream, but it will be leetcode into trying to implement get cat file because we have get hash object working. So now the natural next step is to make cat file, which essentially like hash object hashes both the contents and the actual ID of like a given object. So then if we give it that object ID, we should be able to unhash, or not unhash, but like decrypt what we have into plain text to the user. So that's what we'll be doing. I don't know if I'll be able to fully finish it tonight, to be honest with you. I'm getting up at 5:15 tomorrow, and it is 11:07 right now, because I depart at 7 a.m. for my flight. So we'll see how far, but this says it's 85% in an easy, so I'm assuming this will be pretty simple. You're given three integers, x, y, and z, representing the position of three people on a number line. Okay, z does not move, sure. Both 1 and 2 move toward person 3 at the same speed. Determine which person reaches. Position 2. And why do you not just return the absolute value of the difference? What if they're equal? I can't one-line this. I don't think. Because you can't chain them. How do you chain one? Dude, where's Showman when I need him? Ah, just parentheses. No, what? Oh, I guess I can't. That's stupid. Okay, yeah. So, whatever. Free problem. What is the editorial like for this? Yeah. Okay. So, for cat file, we are compressing with zlib in our hash object. So, what essentially I need to do is like how do you reinflate string zlib c++? Call uncompress. I want to check in on this inner match too. Okay. So how do you, what would be like a good cat file? I wanted to include zlib. So what was this? Yes. So we'll need to read in the file to get the size of the data. Okay, let's just look at hash checked. It's been a couple of days since I did this. So we'll need an input file. Fstream file name. We'll read this with iOS binary. So I can just steal this error handling, to be honest. So then we can do I can grab the size. What do I need the size to be in? A U long. I think I can just static cast that. Or what is a stream size in? There's a pointer diff. Don't really know what that is, to be honest. At least I think it's byte size. File system file size. File size. So what does this come back as? Inside int. It's like, I'm pretty sure these are zlib. So it is just a static cast. Line compressed size equals. I can't just do that, okay. I don't even need to set a cast. So then I can just steal this. So now we have read the file, we have the content, we have the size. Press content. So now, what do we need to do? Uncompressed size, expected or initial guess. I wonder what they guess. Like average impression ratio of zlib. 2 to 1 to 5 to 1. I wonder what would be safe. Like a 5 times, maybe? And I don't know. So then I think we need another U long, right? Yeah. Compressed size equals compressed size times 5 size ratio. And then we need to allocate the compressed data needs to be a byte f. C star. Interesting. I guess that makes sense. I can probably just do this in all one move. Byte f. Constr. God damn it, I can't type. I'll just do it this way. That's const cast char pointer. Okay. So now I can also do, I mean, I could have done this the entire time. Compress data equals, we need to allocate, right? That's what we're doing here? Yeah. new byte of uncompressed size. So then we need to follow int results uncompress. So the destination is our uncompressed data, uncompressed size. Destination length. What am I doing? This will be compressed. I know compressed size. No? Do we have a destination length? Why is the destination like the pointer? Okay. I don't know, for now we'll just see out the but the data is now a char pointer. Does this make sense to me? Yeah, I think so. Do I really want it to be even? What's up, man? Okay, so let's try to cat file this terminated due to uncaught exception. Ah, yes, okay. That's pretty obvious actually what I need to do there. That's because to get this data, it's actually not a file. That file, this file name is kind of, that's not the best. It'll actually be, this is an object ID. So we need to construct the file name. So file system path equals .let slash objects. For now, hard coding objects. So it'll be objects plus the first object ID at 0. We need like the rest of it. How do I split this? Substrings, yes. Substring 2 slash plus substring 2. B. Oh, that's not good. Is this for class? No, not for class. For fun. Why is it B? Maybe it's just how I'm printing it. But array to string. Equals reinterpret cast is what, a const char pointer? See if that helps. Blob 9. So it's definitely decoding something. Is it just this ratio? No. What is blob 9? Like, I know that's the beginning of this. File content. What if I steal this and just test this out? Maybe that is just the value in this file. That wouldn't make a ton of sense. Or I mean, I can check this with get cat file. I guess I can't really check it because I need to check it. Okay, I know what I can do. I can change this and in the get objects. So these are just different. At least the headers are. No. So there's a distinct mismatch. Why is it blob 9? Like, that's what we're prepending. But why is it stopping there? Not too sure. Unfortunately, I have to start. using Linux? No, I'm on Mac. What's up, man? Alright, my apologies, guys. I have a very, very early flight in the morning that I have to catch, so I'm just going to end this stream here. But yeah, CAD file will get finished tomorrow. Alright, have a good night, guys. Or good day, I don't know what time it is for you.